Woof! 100-degree day is fitting for this epically hot Penthouse off-market sale. If you thought it was too late in the season to have more great inventory, think again. This is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over 1,500 square feet, all on one single level of living. That's unicorn style in the South End. Updated in 2019 with a modern kitchen and luxurious bathrooms, move-in ready and done right. The natural light in this unit is unbeatable. Add that to these back bay skyline views and you're turning up the heat even more. Head upstairs to your private roof deck where you can lounge, entertain, or just indulge in these incredible vistas. At the corner of our favorite Columbus Ave and West Newton, this is steps from the Prudential Center, Back Bay Station, and countless South End restaurants.